Hey there friends, on today's video we are going to be doing a reset on this Fitbit Blaze. Super simple process, let's do it right now. So today we are going to be performing a simple reset, meaning we're just going to be doing a reboot. This is great if you have a frozen screen or other weird kind of sync issues that are happening. It solves all sorts of small little problems that you may run into. So again, we're going to be doing this simple reset. If you want to do a full factory reset and clear it off of your account because either you're selling it, you want to get rid of it, what you need to do is go into your app and actually delete the device from your account. Now, once the device is deleted from your account, you should be good to go and you can perform this soft reset. And again, that way it will be removed from your account and can be used with somebody else's account. Okay, so let's go ahead and perform that hard reboot right now. What we're going to do again is hold this button here on the left, and we're going to hold the bottom right-hand button. Now you're going to hold these simultaneously, and we're going to wait approximately 10 to 15 seconds. So let me go ahead and push these, and we're holding. All right, as soon as you see that Fitbit logo, we'll release those buttons. Again, that was only about 8 seconds for me. It may vary depending on your device. Now, again, this should help reset those little small issues that you may be having. Friends, I hope that has helped. If it has, would you guys please hit that thumbs up button? It lets us know we're making helpful videos. And you also might want to hit the subscribe button because we got a bunch more tech tutorial videos coming up real soon, including a bunch more Fitbit videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.